We did the preparation part and the part 1 in episode 1, which is the foundation of all this organ training today. If you missed it, please go to our channel to review it. Some people have practiced the first part already. Now is the right time to give you more details for further study. I show you now. In this part, there are 5 Chinese words very important. You have trained this part for some days, so now I will add them. You should read them in your mind one by one, but no sound. I'll show you with sound, like Sheng, Zhang, Hua, Shu, Tang. Sheng means your qi is rising. Zhang means your qi is growing. Hua means your qi is connected with universal qi, for your body is a small universe. Shu means you gather your qi to your body. Tang means you store the qi in your body. Qigong and other Chinese traditional Kung Fu and Chinese traditional medicine are one family. All of them are based on Yin Yang and 5 elements theory. In this video, I will specialize on organ training respectively. This part training kidney and kidney meridian, bladder and bladder meridian, and your primordial qi. In 5 elements, kidney is water, kidney is yin organ, bladder is yang organ. The primordial qi comes from your parents before you were born, stored in kidney, which is the prenatal base of life. Your primordial qi is strong, your kidney and bladder strong. Your kidney, meridian and bladder meridian will strong, so you will be very healthy. Put your feet on your shoulder distance. Place your hand on your chest. There's a space between your hands like this. Step to left on 45 degrees. Big step. Shoot your hand on shoulder level. Twist your hand facing outside faster. Spread your hand to one line. Hold this posture 1 second. Then bend your knee to 90 degrees. 2 hands reach behind your back. Your upper body lean forward. Hold this posture a second. Move your arm faster as hard as you can. Separate palm on your back. Slide your palm slowly down until arm becomes straight. Then go up to one line. At the same time, leg becomes straight. Hold this posture a second. Two hands meet together in front of your body. Bring your hands back on your chest. Step back. This is the left side. The right side do the same. Shoot, twist, spread, bend, reach your hand together, move up faster, slide down slowly, go up, bring back, step back. This is one time. We should do 9 times. Now we do stomach and spleen training. Spleen in 5 elements is earth. Spleen connected with stomach. Also they have spleen, meridian, and stomach meridian. I will show you. Put your feet on your shoulder distance. Place your empty fist beside your belly button. In this Qigong form, we call this fist empty fist. The thumb covers the other fingers. There's a space inside. Always do this. Keep it in your mind. Big step to left. Move your fist up to your left chest, become palm. Now you imagine you very big, very huge, very powerful. Your left palm push the sky up. The right palm push the earth down. Slowly, powerful. At the same time, bend your knee. Slowly push up, push down. Powerful. Use your soft power. Very powerful. 2 palms on straight line. This posture hold a second. Flip your hand faster. You imagine you pull the sky and the earth back to you. Slowly, very powerful. At the same time, your leg becomes straight. Move your hand to your right chest. Change your hand position. Hand become palm. Now, push your right palm up, push your left palm down. Very powerful. Slowly bend your knee. Flip. Pull back. Very powerful. Slowly. Your upper body always face front. Do left and do right. This is 1 time. We should do 9 times. Now we do liver, gallbladder, long, large intestine training. Gallbladder and large intestine is young. In 5 elements, liver is wood, long is metal. on your shoulder distance. Place your empty fist beside your belly button. Big step to left. Shoot your arms to left. Draw 2 circles. Your eyes follow your hands until your fingers point down. Bring your fist beside your belly button. Right fist change to palm. Draw half circle, go down and go up to your shoulder level. Put your left hand here. You imagine you open a very strong bowl. Pull the string back, very powerful, slowly. At the same time, bend your knee. You look at your logum point. Here is your logum point, the center of the palm. You imagine your arrow shoot through the logum point to the big bird far away. So open your bow, very powerful. Flip your hand faster. Shoot your arrow. When you shoot your arrow, use soft power. Do faster. Repeat it on right side. Shoot 2 circles. 1, 2. Palm. Draw half circle. Open the bow. Flip your hand. Shoot. Do left and right. This is 1 time. Now we do the heart and small intestine training. In 5 elements, heart is fire. Heart and small intestine is 2 organs. Heart is yin organ. Small intestine is yang organ. Put your feet on your shoulder distance. Place your empty feet beside your belly button. Big step to left. Move your hand to your left chest. Your right palm. Make half circle, go down and go up. Right hand make small circle, go back along your leg. At the same time, bend your knee. Look at your back here. 2 arms on one line. Stretching your arm in opposite direction. Hold the second. Flip your hand faster. Palms face outside. Then pull back. Slowly, powerful. Leg becomes straight. This is the left side. We repeat it on right side. Make half circle, go down and go up. Flip, pull back. To left side, to right side is 1 time. Should do 9 times. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. You can follow us to do the organ training now. Please like and share it to help more people to get benefit from it. Please subscribe our Tianmen Kung Fu Academy YouTube channel for further study. Next video, we will help to get rid of the hidden disease and bad habits. Will be updated in a few days. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us.